So today I'm unboxing my Harper diaper bag, or Harper backpack, I think it's called. Well, we'll see when we open it. It's from Mina Bay, I think I'm pronouncing it, but I'll put the name right here on the screen. I already opened the box, but I did not look inside, so this will be my first time. I've been looking for a good diaper bag, especially since we're expecting our second one. I've never liked the backpack ones. This is my first like backpack diaper bag or any type of backpack type bag before. So we'll see how it is. I even bought like an additional shoulder strap so I could wear it on my shoulder. It's supposed to be convertible. This is the inside. Right, this is the return slip. Before we get to that, this is the name of the company. It's basically just a thank you card. That's what it's supposed to look like. Is that super? Yeah, I think so. So it was just this. I bought, and like I said, I bought a shoulder strap, but there's nothing else in the box, so hopefully it's in the bag. Alright, let's open this. It's huge. It's a lot bigger than I thought it'd be. How do you open this? Just gotta like pull it. Okay, there you go. It's so big. This is gonna be perfect for 2 kids. So there's a logo right there. The 2 backpack straps. Now where is the shoulder strap? So it has 2 pockets in the front. So I guess you put like your phone and other important stuff. Oh, you probably want to put your phone on the inside one so it doesn't get stolen or fallen out. There's also an inside zipper, and this is the side that would go like against your back. I wouldn't put anything too bulky in there or else it'd be really uncomfortable. Oh, here's the strap. Actually, it's kind of short. I guess I'll have to put it on and see how that works. I thought it'd be much longer. Oh, look at all the pockets in there. So there's like an iPad or laptop sleeve. There's like, and it's lined with these pockets all around. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's like 2 on each side, and then the 1 on each other side. So it makes like a whole rectangle. There's 2 zip pockets, like a little one and 1 big one. And then another, just additional pocket. That's so many compartments. But I like it. Stay organized with this. I'm gonna put it on my back just to see how it looks. I just never thought I looked well in backpacks, so that's why I've never gotten one. So 1 sec. No. 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 Just put a like hoodie over my pajamas so the video wouldn't be too revealing. So this is how it looks from the front, and then I'll do like a 360 so you can see how it looks from all sides. I really like it. I didn't even have to adjust the straps or anything. It's already at the perfect length. Okay, so I really love this bag. It was, I think, $328, but if you sign up for their newsletter or whatever pops up on their website, you get 10% off. So I saved 10% off, so that was good. And a lot of their bags are sold out, so if you want one, and it is sold out, you can just put yourself on the list to be notified when it comes back. Luckily, I think they just restocked this, and I got an email. So I ordered it right away. Everything is like wrapped up, including the hooks and the zippers. There's just plastic everywhere, which is a good thing so it doesn't get scratched. Are you shooting me? Mason's coming to join. Oh. Here are the hooks for the shoulder strap. You can also buy additional stroller hooks, so you can hook it onto your stroller like this. Well, not like this, but on the hooks. You can hook it like this, and it just hangs off your stroller. Alright, so this is the shoulder bag, and let's see how it looks. Yeah, so I'm really, really loving it. I do wish the strap was a little bit longer, and I could see these getting in the way, so I guess you would need to tighten it some more, but I don't see how you can do that. It looks like it's already on the tightest, but yeah, I guess that's probably something you'll just have to like deal with, but I really do like it. It's probably going to be my new go-to bag. And it's like real leather. They do make vegan versions if you're not about like using real leather. I like it. Time to put my stuff in now. So I actually carry around 2 bags. One is my like Gucci bag, my Look Good bag, and then the other one's just like a canvas tote, just for carrying like extra stuff, like diapers, all that. Think it back to who? To you? So I guess since I'm emptying my bags, I'll do a what's in my bag video too.
Dad's gonna go get food for us.
So this is currently what I'm carrying around in my bag. My Michael Kors wallet. Gotta have your money. And I feel like this is too bulky to put in one of like the outside pockets. So I'm just gonna put this inside, especially since it's a wallet. It has like a lot of sensitive stuff in there. That's just gonna get dropped in. My sunglasses, of course. These are also Michael Kors. I actually just bought these a couple days ago. It still has the plastic on it. But that's dropped in. An extra jewel bib for Mason. Maybe I'll put this in like an outside pocket. Gotta have your sunscreen. Especially if you have a kid with like really thin skin. And just hand lotion for me.
Mine.
Your truck. Your truck.
Mine.
And then this is an extra battery for my camera. Oh, which is another thing I like about this. It's so big. I can fit my camera for vlogging and all the accessories, like extra batteries, the tripod, my like neck strap. It's going to be so convenient. And I can just wear it on my back, so it won't hurt my shoulder anymore. My keys are usually just clipped to the outside buckle, like where I would put like the stroller strap or the shoulder strap. I clip it onto that metal thing. The D-ring is called. So that like when I get to my car, I can just quickly press the button. I would carry water, stay hydrated. So I should probably get like a big bottle. And today we're going to Fort Collins, which is like an hour and a half, so I'm gonna pack some toys and just a lot of extra stuff because we're probably gonna be there all day. I think that's everything from my bags, but let's get the baby stuff in. So I'm gonna do 3 diapers. And these fit perfectly in those like side pockets I was talking about. And I'll show you the inside when the white. I tried to put one that's like already open so that it takes less space. Alright. Then my extra battery because I use my phone a lot and in a car ride that's gonna be like an hour and a half, it will probably die. Let's see how much battery is left in here. Okay. Mason's hat since it's still kind of chilly. And then I'm gonna put my camera in. This is the camera with a pretty big lens and tripod, so that easily fits in here. Wow. Starting to get a little bit heavy, but at least it's on my back. And then snacks and toys. And I think that should be it. So let me grab that. While I was getting snacks, I actually found like a smaller open pack of wipes. So I'm gonna use that one instead. And then just put a little Ziploc bag of snacks. It's pretty much just goldfish and like Cheetos. Please don't shame me. This is mainly just for like the car ride, and honestly I'll probably be eating most of this. Yeah, you wanna hold it for now? The yogurt pouch, because he loves them.
Done.
You're done with the cookie?
Done.
Okay. You want the pouch now? I knew I shouldn't have showed it to him. So here's what it looks like after packing it up. I have my water, wipes, diapers, his hat, sunglasses, my camera, wallet, snacks. I'm pretty, oh, and my battery charger. I'm pretty much using every pocket, but like I could still stack stuff on top, and I have not used the outside pockets yet. I think I'm going to take this off and put it in one of the outside pockets so that I just don't have too many straps on there. But yeah, I'm in love with it. So after seeing what I just packed, I realized I'm pretty low maintenance. Yeah, the bag's not even nearly full. I'll probably add a couple toys to keep them entertained on the car ride, and that's about it. I definitely highly recommend this bag. So I told Mason to pick some trucks for us to bring, and he brought all these. So I guess my bag's full now. Alright. I'll probably take most of these out actually. Are you still bringing some more? You want to bring the police car?
Yeah.
Okay.
More.
More? Did you just say more? I forgot to show you guys, there's a side pocket. I don't know what exactly goes in here.
More.
Neat. So it's only on one side, there isn't one on this side. Yeah, I haven't used any of the zip pockets on the inside, or like just the open pockets, or on the outside. So I still have plenty of room. Put in my iPad. I just put my iPad in, and it fits perfectly into the sleeve. And I have the really big one, the iPad Pro. If you guys enjoyed this vlog, please remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!